So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you are someone who is looking to make money with book publishing and you are confused on the way to go about it, this video is for you. If you've been publishing on Amazon KDP and you are finding it difficult to actually navigate and succeed in the platform, this video is for you. And this video is also for anyone who is having issues, in their publishing business. Now, a student of mine messaged me. That was earlier this month of February, and that was exactly on the 4th of February. Okay, he messaged me and he was like, "Good afternoon, sir. I want to thank you for the course, and I made over 9K. Now it's not 9,000 naira; it is $9,000 in January. Okay, I want you to help me here. Do you know anything?" So he was actually asking for a bank, and he showed me the screenshot of how much he made that month, 9,400 plus in the month of January. That is this January that just passed. You get. Now, I have students like this that are really doing well in this business, and in this video I want to share with you 4 things you need to do as a KDP publisher or as someone who wants to go into the business for you to succeed in the business. Now, I've actually had success of students, coming to my mentorship and getting like the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint course, and their knowledge about the publishing business really transformed, because I never focused on, okay, you should publish on this niche. The knowledge I actually gave in that course was like an overall ground up knowledge of how you can go from like a total beginner to a professional publisher. Now, I touched a lot of aspects coming to, understanding what the publishing business is, because most people who are into publishing don't even understand that this is what this business is. Do you understand? And this is how I can succeed with the publishing business and all that. The only thing they have been taught by most of the coaches out there is get your keyword. They gave you the metrics on what a profitable keyword is. You got your keyword, go to ChatGPT, get your table of content, and you start writing. You get. So that is like the general knowledge of what they have understood to be the publishing. When it comes to book publishing, we have a lot of things that you need to understand. You get. And I've actually said it time without number in this channel. If you want to succeed as a book publisher, you must understand 3 core things. One is the people that you want to write your book for. That is your target audience. You get. Most people, just because, let me say, a course creator, the course you bought, it was cookbook or whatever niche they used to explain. That is what they actually hold on to. Now, this guy, he made $9,000 in January. And during the explanation in the course, because what I explained is something that you can pass across any niche. You understand? That is the way I structure the information I give in the course. You can use that information and pass it across any niche, and you succeed in any niche. I've seen students go into self-help. Like, if you look at this guy here, he made about $700 in a few days. He messaged me a few days ago that he just published a book and he has actually hit about 700 in 5 days, $700 in 5 days, which means before this month actually gets over, he will make more than that. You get. Because of the grand knowledge that takes you from a total beginner to becoming a professional publisher. So it's not just focused on this is what the niche that you need to focus on. That is why I just get pissed off when people come to my DM and start to ask, what niche are you focused on? I am not focused on niche. I am giving you an information that you can pass across any niche. That is, if tomorrow you decide to go, let me say you are in cookbook, and tomorrow you decide to go into self-help, or you decide to go into tech guides or product guide or any guide at all, or any kind of book, you can easily do these books because of the information you've gotten. You understand? So number one is how to identify your target audience. That is the first thing I actually discuss. And you must know this as a publisher. You must know how to find that particular set of people you want to be writing your book on. You understand? You want to be writing your book for. Number two, you must know how to package a good offer, which is your book, and it is standing as a solution to the problem they are currently facing in their life. You get. So most people think it's just get the topic you write. You must know how to create that great book that now becomes a solution to what those people will type when they go to Amazon and they type, this, or maybe puberty book for girls, and they type anything about puberty. Your book pops up because your book, is standing as a solution to the problem that those teenage girls are currently facing. You get. Another one after that, I have mentioned two now. One, knowing the exact people you want to write for. Two, knowing how to create a good book around that people you want to write on. So from there, you can now go and look for topics that are associated with the people that you are writing for, your target audience. You understand? Now, the third one is marketing your book. That is what a lot of course creators are, they don't teach. They teach you how to write with, get your topic. They teach you how to write with AI, but they don't teach you how to market your book, how to launch this book. You get? Now, launching is different from uploading. Launching is a process of making sure that you prepare your book for a long-term sale. You understand? So your book don't just sell only in the first month of you know, uploading that book. And that first 30 days is your honeymoon period. Is the most critical, period of that book when it's being uploaded. If you did not put up the element, the marketing element that book requires to sell for a very long time, that book might not succeed. So during that 30 days period, you must make sure that you put together every necessary tool that is required for you to succeed in your business. So these are the three things you need to succeed as a publisher, and a lot of people don't know this. They don't know how to find, the kind of people they want to write on. That is the niche. They don't know how to create a good book for these people, and they don't know how to market this book to these people. You get? That is one thing I have taken my time to teach. That is why when people get this course, they really succeed with it, because it is covered in the course. You understand? So this is not just a course. When I tell you that the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint is the best course in Africa, I am not just blabbing. I am telling you facts. I am the only coach in Africa right now that cares about the well-being and the success of their students, because I am not a course creator per se, as people will say, hey, this guy is a course creator. No, I am a publisher who is experiencing the business of publishing, that is teaching you from experience. So if I tell you this is what is working now, this is what is working now. Now I discovered that Tech Guide sells now sells very well on Google Playbook. Now I just updated my students and I was like, this morning, look, this particular kind of book sells on Google Playbook, so you guys can actually try it out. You understand? Now this is what a mentor does to you. You need that person who you consistently, anytime you have issues, like if I wake up in the morning and I check, maybe I work very late at night and I sleep very early. Now when I actually wake up in the morning, most of the few messages I see, while waking up, is messages from my students. We are like, boss, I have a question to ask. What is this? You have to do an explanation for that person. You understand? I've actually heard of coaches that they abandon you after you've paid them for your course. Look, this is the month of February, and if you are looking for a vehicle that can really make you money, that is why I'm advising people, look, treat this business as a business, because that is what it is. Let's just forget the fact that Amazon is frustrating a lot of people with account termination and all that. You see this business, it is something that can change your life. Just imagine the guy that actually made $9,000 just because, and he only has about 10 books in his, in his dashboard. In that particular account, he only has about 10 books. Just imagine what these 10 books are doing for him. You understand? And it might not be all the 10 books that are selling, but at least that book that is helping getting those sales for him, will help him succeed more. You understand? Will help other books succeed more, because if they see that you have a good book, this is the way custom actually does. Their brain works. If they see that you have a good book, they will go and check, your author central page if you have other good books that they can purchase. And if you have other good books they can purchase, they will also purchase those good books. This is the kind of customers that come and recommend your product to their friends just because you have written a good book. Look, the business of publishing is based on understanding, not based on what a coach tells you that you need to do this and you try it and you're not getting sales. 95% of people that have actually bought the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint are people that have struggled with other courses, because most of the time they abandon them. And some of these coaches that you will see their ad on Facebook, you will see their ad on YouTube, you will see their ad on every other platform out there. I've not run ads for my course, but I actually have over 500 students right now. And out of those 500 students, 200 plus are foreigners, are not Nigerian, and me Nigerian. You understand? That is to show you how valuable this information is. So when I'm telling you, look, if this is the business you want to do, this is the information you need to get. It is this course. You understand? You also have a group, a community of people that you ask questions, they are there to support you. These are people that are experienced in the business also, that are also there to support you. You get? So if you want to get the ZT, now I actually said That was last month because I was trying to help people get into the mentorship for them to test real knowledge on how this business publishing thing works. You understand? So I actually did a discount of 20,000. So for them to get the course, instead of getting it for the actual price of 30,000, they only have to pay 20,000 to get in. And I said I was going to increase the cost of getting the course to 100K. Now, for this particular video, because I'm actually recording this video on the February 14th, if you want to get the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint today, that is in the next 48 hours, which is from today to the 16th, of February, you'll be getting it for the price of 20,000 naira. Now, this offer is limited to only 10%. You understand? Now, if you want to get it, and if you want to actually experience a real knowledge of how book publishing is and how you can actually, take advantage of an information that can help you confidently publish books that you know that this book will sell, you actually get the course right now. So instead of now, after this, I am increasing the price of the course for you. The reason why I'm doing this, if you guys notice, it has been long that I actually put out a video. You understand? Now, it's just because most of the time I like to come and give testimonies of how my students are doing. Now, this is a guy that have actually done $9,000 in a month. I don't know how much he has done this month, but I believe he will be making more sales if he put out, more good books out there. He already, and one thing about this is that if you already have this knowledge of what a good book is, you will consistently put out good books that will make you sell. You understand? Like, the information is just second to none. This is what I have studied. I studied the business because I am experienced in the business because I also publish books. You understand? So I am not this kind of person or this kind of coach that they tell you this is what you need to do and they are not doing that stuff. I am a publisher. So when I tell you this is what moves the needle in this platform and this is what makes you sell, I understand it because I have books that have done sales in that particular platform. You get? So if you are getting the course today, just like I said, this offer is just for 10%. 10%, once the 10% are complete, the offer will be off and I will increase the price of the course to maybe 50 to 100K. It's still the thing is that even if I increase the price of this course to, let me say, 200,000 naira, for what this course will make you. Now let's just do some comparison. Now this guy, you pay 200K to actually learn a course. Let's convert $9,000 to Nigerian naira. That is about 14 million naira. But what you paid is 200,000. But you're not paying 200,000 today. You're just paying 20,000 to actually get this skill. Now, I am there to also help you. Once you pay for the course, you get access to my personal WhatsApp. Here you can ask me questions and you get direct answers from me. So if you are getting it, you'll see a number on the screen. Just message me on WhatsApp. If you are using the link, to go and get the course on Seller, you will also see a link, like a promo code that will help you reduce the price of the course to the discounted price. So once you apply the promo code, it will discount it to 20,000 then, or any local currency, your local currency that you use, because most of the people that are purchasing this course are not people from Nigeria. So if you are from the UK, US, Ghana, Cameroon, it will be converted to your local currency, then you can pay it. So that's all you need to do, is to use the promo code, in the description. Once it applies, you can actually make your purchase. Now, this offer is just in the next 48 hours and is only for 10%. So as always, I have actually discussed 3 things that will actually help you succeed as a publisher. 1, understand the market you want to serve. 2, understand how to create a good book around that market. 3, understand how to market this book to that target audience. As always, I am Value Bank and I'll be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.